That courthouse is in Jasper County and it's dealt with issues for years.
But what are these issues? News Watch's Coffey reports on this building and how it stood the test of time until now.
In any community, certain buildings can stand as a symbol of its history. And Jasper County is no different, as their courthouse in Newton has been used since 1878, and time has definitely caught up with the building.
Now, what I would say is that history over the decades has been stripped away a little at a time. And if you see photos of what this building looked like when it was originally constructed in those first couple of decades, it was a magnificent building. It is a shadow of what it was then.
Jasper County Board Chairman Jason Warfel says the board is moving forward with plans to replace the courthouse after years of temporary fixing.
Really what's happened probably within the last 40 or 50 years is we moved from a position of really putting money to restore and keep this building up to more or less band-aid or fixing issues as they came up, just enough to get by.
These issues include water leakage and a deteriorating foundation, which can be seen in the basement. Warfel says that's why a new courthouse is needed, so more problems don't pile up.
The issue with this building might not impact the citizens in Jasper County in the next 3 to 5 years, but it will within the next decade or two. And it's a decision that future generations are going to be burdened with that.
And Warfel says that the decision to say goodbye to the Jasper County Courthouse behind me is a little difficult for some because of its rich history. And after a public tour of the building, citizens that were skeptical quickly changed their minds.
And I'll say that a lot of the people that were in opposition to us doing anything, once they toured the building itself, saw the damage for themselves, saw what we were facing, and most of them went away with the same thought that, yeah, I can see why the board's moving in this direction.
In Newton, I'm Coffey for WEIU Newswatch.
Warfel says the next step is to find contractors to carry out the construction. The county is still crunching numbers and determining how much the new building will cost.